Public reactions mixed after President Kiir appoints daughter as special envoy. Juba, the appointment of President Salva Kiir's daughter, Adut Salva, as presidential envoy on special programs has ignited debate across political, civil society, and online platforms, with reactions ranging from cautious optimism to outright condemnation. Opposition voices. Opposition parties were quick to criticize the move, framing it as another case of nepotism within the Kiir administration. A spokesperson for the SPL Machar faction said the decision deepens mistrust in government institutions, arguing that key national roles are being turned into family patronage posts. The National Salvation Front, NAS, described the appointment as a betrayal of the suffering citizens, warning that politicizing humanitarian programs would further erode public trust. Civil society and analysts. Civil society groups expressed concern that Adut's appointment may weaken accountability. The South Sudan Civil Society Forum said that, while youth and women deserve representation at the highest levels, appointments must be based on competence and transparency, not bloodlines. Political analyst Dr. Abraham Kwolnan noted that the role of special envoy on special programs has historically lacked effectiveness, adding that Adut's appointment risks being perceived more as family empowerment than state building. Supportive views. Some voices defended the move, pointing to Adut's track record with the Adut Salva Foundation, which has worked in women's empowerment and humanitarian aid. A senior official in the SPLM ruling party argued that Adut brings a fresh generation of leadership and could use her foundation's partnerships to attract international donor support. A women's rights activist in Juba welcomed the appointment, saying, "This is an opportunity to showcase that South Sudanese women can handle high offices and deliver results." Public sentiment and social media. On social media, reactions were sharply divided. Critics flooded platforms with hashtags like #NepotismInJuba and #Kirdynasty, accusing the president of turning state offices into family businesses. Supporters circulated photos of Adut's humanitarian projects, urging the public to give her a chance. Regional and diplomatic concerns. International observers are watching closely. A Western diplomat in Juba, speaking on condition of anonymity, said the appointment would likely raise questions among donors about whether humanitarian and development aid will be handled impartially. Breaking news dossier: President Kiir appoints daughter as special envoy on special programs. Lead story. Juba, President Salva Kiir Mayardit's appointment of his daughter, Adut Salva, as presidential envoy on special programs has sparked widespread debate, with critics denouncing nepotism and supporters highlighting her humanitarian credentials. The announcement, aired Wednesday evening on state-owned South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation, SSBC, fills a position that has remained vacant since Benjamin Bolmel was promoted to vice president and chairman of the economic cluster in February, replacing Dr. James Waniega. Adut, who heads the Adut Salva Foundation, is now tasked with overseeing priority programs that require direct presidential oversight, including peacebuilding, humanitarian response, resettlement of displaced persons, post-conflict recovery, and flagship development initiatives tied to the presidency. While designed to cut through bureaucratic hurdles, the office has faced criticism for ineffectiveness in past years, particularly during Bolmel's tenure, when service delivery and humanitarian conditions deteriorated. Background on the position. The presidential envoy on special programs is intended to act as a bridge across ministries, ensuring urgent and politically sensitive programs are implemented swiftly. The envoy coordinates with humanitarian agencies, government institutions, and international partners, while also reporting directly to the president. Typical responsibilities include coordinating humanitarian aid and peacebuilding programs, overseeing resettlement and rehabilitation of displaced persons, ensuring delivery of essential services in conflict-affected regions, driving special projects in infrastructure, food security, and youth/women empowerment. However, the envoy's lack of clear accountability mechanisms has historically led to questions about its effectiveness, transparency, and role in South Sudan's governance system. Profile: Adut Salva. Age: late 30s, unofficial. Background: founder of the Adut Salva Foundation, which has run small-scale initiatives in women's empowerment, youth training, and humanitarian relief. Reputation: Known as one of President Kiir's closest daughters, Adut is often seen as part of the president's trusted inner circle. Critics say her experience is too limited to handle a post of this scale, especially in a country facing severe humanitarian crises. Supporters say she represents a new generation of leadership and could use her foundation's links to attract international donor support. Public reactions. Opposition parties. SPL-MIO, Machar faction called the appointment a betrayal of trust and another example of family capture of state institutions. National Salvation Front, NAS warned that placing family loyalty above competence risks worsening humanitarian crises. Civil society and analysts. South Sudan Civil Society Forum said appointments must be based on merit, not bloodlines. Dr. Abraham Kwol Nguyen, political analyst. This is more about family empowerment than state building. The Envoy's office has already proven ineffective. SPLM party officials framed it as a generational shift, stressing that youth and women deserve space at the top. Women's activists welcomed the appointment as a chance to showcase women's leadership capacity in South Sudan. Public sentiment, social media. Trending hashtags, hashtag nepotism in Juba and hashtag Kiir dynasty. Critical posts accused Kiir of turning South Sudan into a monarchy. Supportive posts circulated photos of Adut's charity work, urging patience and support. Regional and diplomatic implications. International donors. Western diplomats say the appointment may raise concerns about impartiality in aid distribution and project oversight. Regional partners, IGAD, AU, EAC likely to monitor how the envoy handles humanitarian coordination, especially as South Sudan faces record food insecurity. Sudan and Uganda. Analysts note that both countries may view the move through the lens of Kiir consolidating power at home while navigating sensitive regional alliances. Analysis. What this means for South Sudan. 1. Strengthening family grip on power. Kiir's move aligns with a broader pattern of placing close relatives in influential posts, reinforcing accusations of dynastic politics. 2. Effectiveness questioned. With the envoy's track record already under fire, Adut's ability to deliver results will face intense public scrutiny. 3. Donor trust at stake. South Sudan relies heavily on international aid. How Adut manages relations with donors could determine whether external funding continues to flow smoothly. 4. Women in politics. Despite the controversy, her appointment could add momentum to calls for greater women's participation in governance if she proves effective. Key question going forward. Will Adut Salva Kiir's appointment strengthen South Sudan's humanitarian and development response, or will it be remembered as another act of nepotism deepening mistrust in the Kiir administration? Profile dossier. Adut Salva Kiir Mayardit. Personal background. Name. Adut Salva Kiir Mayardit. Age. Late 30s, unofficial. Family. Daughter of President Salva Kiir Mayardit and First Lady Mary Ayan Mayardit. Status. Married. With children, private life kept largely away from media. Professional and public roles. Founder and chairperson, Adut Salva Kiir Foundation. Established in the early 2020s. Focus areas: women's empowerment, youth development, education support, and humanitarian aid. Known projects: small-scale skills training for women in Juba. Distribution of relief packages to displaced persons during conflict crises. Scholarship support programs for underprivileged students. Public appearances. Frequently seen alongside her father at state functions. Actively engaged in charity events and international women's conferences representing her foundation. Political career. Previous roles: none in formal government or SPLM party structures. First major appointment: Presidential Envoy on Special Programs, 2025. Announced on SSBC, August 2025. First direct transition from philanthropy to high-level political office. Public perception. Supporters view her as a new generation leader representing youth and women in national politics. Someone who can leverage her foundation's partnerships to attract international donor support. Critics see her as a beneficiary of nepotism and family patronage politics. Inexperienced in governance, diplomacy, or crisis management. A symbol of Kiir's tightening family grip on state institutions. Strategic importance of appointment. marks first time a biological child of President Kiir has been given a formal, high-level state office. Seen as both a test case for women in senior roles and a controversial consolidation of dynastic influence. How she performs could affect donor trust in South Sudan's humanitarian programs, public confidence in Kiir's administration, regional perceptions of South Sudan's governance stability. He quote, analyst, Adut's appointment is more symbolic than administrative. It signals Kiir's intention to embed his family at the center of South Sudanese politics, while testing whether a younger face can soften the regime's image internationally.
Mala medidi nyangadel achala da tegalam kata dun kelkane. Achine ban kaya kala si jitini karsiri kanaro pai talk and wala. Aka gone anodi. Ndi yan tegalangten yeliangader ten kon labo kisana lame. Ayene diala pai ban gane yata loyalam ke tai shaban keja gori jeno bialar febu biawanyo nyok. Kamanu kundialun kija ko bigate liangten. Mishiban kisana lama gori jeno di shana rama di jisaf crave. Kadi hartum kono une kadi kamoy ke yat milono di kamoy ke sam kadi ka nyabo kamanu kum milono di ka share ne dialo paiban ke kamu kata loin mi di long ya ne dialo pai umat ke yan bono matan pai subscription pailal yan subscribe baru dialo pai subscribe ke jan channel mas la te long katain shalat ko nyaw yen la roje nyaw yen kenere okian ana biya kamar Aka pinente tetanawan anala na yet lonik di long ko lay nagba kada yan alwindong misyang ko bialar ko no kamne kaya ang biya patel yung ten kakuya mo siya da teda long anar lo bokon galing aki kwarn sal pa kemi yadis kata nana siya to ko which kaso Sudan rayra kan di ni juba kachanga jandara ba pa badap mulo ni changa pan nay ko no Chikwano salpa ke meyadit, chenyade, cheja apon, ala presidential envoy, nyare na adut ne kona, ajan nyama chapkwen, wooden chale bol mel, mela kwa rauda, mela pai president, ka chairperson ka Australian party, ajara manchinya kwarna salpa ke, ajana chikwan ke la chauda. Ayen jen nyare nama nyama shali adut keja jen adut ladama ladano wan re wika South Sudan ajan take a foundation mukwa iran mi a CEO de foundation no moche cheda gor as lodo ni cheda poinde na adut Salva kim yadit ludne a ludna adut as lodo ni Salva sariba kay lodo ni Kiir la as foundation jan company man chalap ke CEO sin and point adut jan company wala ke janun la ten o lokaman ke tendiala chuike rewine kabilini dial tin tekwidian ke tekwidian tong jarla lada Loka netin chuj wan mandine kana gwandine kene dong amane disable. Loka gad ran one katin kono gor kenka ane runtam te kentan. No mo ajan foundation each lab no one man lada kaja and nasal pakern mayadit. Ka kora si gwando tamala ba presidential envoy. Ajaladam pai kama ke pai la kana novelatan. Jan kan shoda ka wi community dite long tamma re kuma ga South Sudan aka chana mulada no kwarni Salva ke me yadit gor again gor ladani jeno be wat ke gat ke del ambakalat ka key position re kuma ga South Sudan ko en gwade ta temu to ga yamo andara gara to del ka bain lene kenata hachang de gala la wuch ke gor jeno bugat ke rodin de dor ka kan point ne jen Ane kono ko korpan na dang diok techewo me la de appointment dung ambassador ne kono o te ka gar ke dang diok teche lalet ala ambassador win to kokien no mo mi se to korpan na dang diok techewo anta me charo le nyoko che nyade che nyogala la presidential envoy la da mo che la dunwala katela mate diute ne jan gwada atege te wan longe togre we ka South Sudan tama tegoro bia kaling yene de kona kendeniling katumwana lung tilaro dien chikume United Kingdom chikume South Sudan che nyogme kwije arts and de gan charli yaluin kan nega dialon kon deji taji yen kel keja ti chadul bo ke European Union ke United Nation a meeting ken plaken kalel te garamisho waiten kala de jenwo kon bukon South Sudan bukon mo ke diked mu dien ko bikro nak ke ban action kan aja quarantine wigentama tai chikana pal keja chikana lada no one ba action kan jaw quarantine weekend tama mulum no kuana salvo ke me yadit me nuwa kana la chawainde kon latje chaga link cherka milai daka yaw ni siang ke daka jawar gang neno dir kwan doctor ek ma char kana ne ke dialan sai yan kel digitally hakam mo de chanadling na mo amata ten tama o bilat ke duno che jan lat kono take a lot of gulga larum bene ke jalong ajalar ki nya kwara meno cha Adut Salva ke me yadit Malakwar As Foundation cha jalala don wala la presidential envoy ke South Sudan Juba ramalala ladalat hawan Salva ke me yadit agency la lado ka chana mo cha lat ke New South Sudan endit and wala no cha Adut cha la presidential envoy and nomo ajalarang go ne dene reptin ka dene on kom lad ne yela tungwaru koram chitok nen de borun ten chalat kenyam misijeling gwabo no di laram di jen yago biling ka tungwaru ko dar ko laido atitini ekana laro den tegane de wana lonkara jenwo kuma South Sudan kuma mite garamu gem ke kuma aramo yaranu kuma tekan watson wandalat rajamo la pela ratung gen lat kena tanken lat kena ke jawdien bang ka tanken lat kena chigi jawdien jakre jam ke media aneto chika daga jeno melaro do kuma ka South Sudan no an kuma na mashi kuma ne dial kuma janga ke kuma jana ke kujamo ramungud bijano kuma na me kuma mane dial kel chejan kuma na me kuma ji dor kel tinchali jang kapega to duel wuda mishale Salva Kiir ma ya diskarada cherka mangwi kon lada chalana ga jang dialwo lada na ka ji dora check senyada la presidential envoy te senyada men nukula pai lada ne na Adut men chala bol mel chala la vice president kai chenyawa la chairperson ake SPLM party Titomi yanagwi yanka lodono kuma dung South Sudan arai ke je atok duil kel milat gol Salva Kiir karwada si dung nena dial cha bishol kuma den edung cheng nen tichero den diagano bike chien den ke bike parent bike na tatum guamona anamo si kuma be nukune dial quick include kuma jicheng tenchera jagano buwajama bikana yar ka kujama mungodo la dijano na me kuma kai tok namane muktab dung jicheng kai jagano bigo wajama kai lu bikana kwak alaken ka kujama la rutiti ekan la tongone de yan kalenga jangwa matokom kala to kom ken bana mi jiramukan channel mukan subscribe goro de channel mo de subscribe ko de ramkel Kaneda kon la lara jagatan ngwame gone no di lara jadi ke nyoga ne ko ken dir ke chier kami ke ti ke charwum di maten katun kon la lara den and di char di maten wa mo comment section ko de ne jakona chila ta the long ke tadun kel kene biatamar